Welcome to Byte Further. In today's video, you'll learn how to fix an iPhone 7 or iPhone 7 Plus stuck in recovery mode. Usually, putting your iPhone 7 into recovery mode to do an update or restore is a seamless process. But sometimes, your iPhone 7 gets stuck in recovery mode, showing the support.apple.com/iPhone/restore message along with a laptop and a cable icon. The iPhone 7 stuck in recovery mode refuses to update or restore using iTunes or other applications, and worse still, it's failing to exit recovery mode after you press the power button. While it might seem like you'll never get to use your iPhone 7 again, you can usually get it working again with just a few steps. Here are the details, and make sure to follow each iPhone 7 stuck on recovery mode fix in the order we've presented in this video. Now, let's learn how. Step 1. Force iPhone 7 restart in recovery mode. When your iPhone 7 is stuck in recovery mode and doesn't update or restore or exit, it's more likely that the system encounters a freeze. A quick solution to solve the sudden freeze is to perform a forced restart. It's simple but works like a magic to get iPhone 7 out of stuck recovery mode without data loss. Better still, no computer is needed to force the device out of recovery mode. Follow these steps to give it a try. On your iPhone 7 or iPhone 7 Plus, press and hold both the volume down button and the power button at the same time. The recovery mode screen should disappear and the display should become black. Keep holding both buttons until you see an Apple logo showing up on the screen. If you're lucky, the iPhone 7 should boot up normally and load the lock screen. If the device returns back to the recovery mode screen with support.apple.com/iPhone/restore message, move to the next solution to fix it. Step 2. Update iPhone 7 in recovery mode using a computer. If the problem persists, time to connect your iPhone 7 to another Windows or Mac OS computer to reinstall the iOS to exit recovery mode by one click. To eliminate the cause of a problematic cable, try using another known good cable. Before we start, make sure you've downloaded Apple Devices app, iTunes, or Finder on the computer. Next, follow these steps to see how to get iPhone 7 out of stuck recovery mode without restoring. Plug your iPhone 7 to a computer that's running Windows or Mac OS using the cable that came with the device. Open Apple Devices, iTunes or Finder. If you don't have one, install one of them first. Now, you should see a message saying there's a problem with your device that requires you to update or restore it. Click Update to reinstall the latest iOS firmware into your iPhone 7. All your personal data and settings will stay safe and sound. Don't unplug your iPhone 7 or iPhone 7 Plus from the computer until the update process ends. Depending on the internet speed, it might take 1 hour or 2 to finish. Once done, your iPhone 7 will reboot with an Apple logo showing up. If the device turns on past the Apple logo and loads the lock screen, it means you managed to exit the recovery mode. If it's back to the restore screen again, try the next solution. Step 3. Restore iPhone 7 in recovery mode using a computer. If iPhone 7 is still failing to exit recovery mode after the update, doing a restore is the next thing to do. Restore the device to its factory default settings could fix any hidden issues that prevent you updating in recovery mode or exiting. Though, only try this as a last-ditch resort, because it erases everything on your phone. After you've checked all the important files are backed up, follow these steps to restore iPhone 7 stuck on recovery mode screen. Connect your iPhone 7 or iPhone 7 Plus to a Windows or Mac OS computer. Run Apple Devices, iTunes or Finder. When it gives you the option to update or restore, choose Restore this time. Finish the on-screen instructions that are left and the computer will start erasing all the data and settings on your iPhone 7, then reinstall the latest iOS. This will also take longer than 1 hour to finish, so please wait patiently. When the restore finishes, your iPhone should reboot and load the hello screen. It's basically the beginning screen you should see when getting the new phone for the first time. Now that you've exited iPhone 7 recovery mode, just set up the device from scratch or restore from data backup to use again. Step 4. Use iCloud to get out of stuck recovery mode on iPhone 7. How it works is to locate your iPhone 7 in iCloud's Find My section and then trigger a remote erase on the device to bring it back to its factory settings. This method might not work for everyone, but you can still give it a try if your iPhone 7 stuck in recovery mode and won't restore or update. Follow these steps to try. In your favorite web browser, head to iCloud.com and log in with the Apple ID and password you've used to sign in your iPhone 7 or iPhone 7 Plus. After logging in, find the green Find My icon and choose it. In the next page, select your iPhone 7 name. Then, choose Erase this device from the given options. Confirm by selecting the Erase button and the erase process will be started. See if it unfreezes iPhone 7 recovery mode stuck. If so, the restore screen will be removed and an Apple logo and progress bar will appear. Then, all that's left to do is to wait for the restore process to complete to get your iPhone 7 to exit recovery mode. Step 5. Take iPhone 7 to a nearby repair store. If, till now, you still get stuck in recovery mode on iPhone 7 or iPhone 7 Plus, time to ask experts for help. They can help do a comprehensive examination of each internal component on the device to test if they work properly. That's all for how to fix iPhone 7 or iPhone 7 Plus that's stuck in recovery mode. If you find this video helpful, please buy a super thanks for this video and give this video a like. Your support means a lot to us to deliver more useful videos to help those in need. Also, if you have any further questions, feel free to write them down in the comments below and I'll reply ASAP. To learn more tech tips about iPhones, subscribe to the Byte Further channel. Now, you can click another video on the screen to keep watching.